Blippi air is cleared to land.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, the airplane. Woohoo! Whoa! Just kidding. Woo! I'm Blippi, the person. And today I'm playing outside, enjoying the sunny rays. Woo! But have you ever pretended to be an airplane before? Great! Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Hey, try it out with me. All you need to do is raise up your airplane wings. And then make the sound of a roaring airplane engine. And check it out! It's a playground. That's the best way to spend time outside. Let's go! A swing set? Yeah! Well, it's a lot of fun to pretend to be an airplane, but going on a swing set is also fun because it can take you up in the air like an airplane! Whoa, let's go! Okay, here we go. Pilots, start your airplane engines! Whoa! I already feel like I'm flying an airplane. But you know, I'm not going very high on the swing. Hey, do you know how to go higher on a swing? Yeah, all you have to do is pump your legs back and forth to go even higher. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And when you're going really fast and really high, all you need to do to go slower is to stop pumping those legs. Yeah. You keep them still, and you'll slowly come right back down in for a landing. Pilot Blippi, it's time to land your swing set airplane. Copy that. Landing soon. In 3, and 2, and 1. Whoa! We landed! That was pretty fun, being a pilot on a swing set. Oh, do you see this? Whoa! Check it out! Huh. Looks like there's a box with something in it. Maybe it's a toy dinosaur! Maybe not. Or maybe it's a potato! A silly potato. Well, probably not that. Let's see. No way! Can you guess what's inside? An airplane! Whoa! Check out this toy airplane. Yeah, it's the colors white, blue, and red. And it looks like this toy airplane can go super fast. Okay, time to take off. Whoa! Here we go! Whoa, check it out! This plane is so fun. Oh, better put it down though. Monkey bars! You see what I see? Yeah, these are so fun. And it looks like we can use them to get to the other side. Oh, and we definitely want to use the monkey bars because the floor is lava! Ah, woo! Yeah! Hey, do you know what sound a monkey makes? Yeah, they kind of sound like yeah, they make a sound like that. Hey, will you pretend to be a monkey while I do the monkey bars? Okay, here we go. And make sure you don't touch the lava. Woo! Woo! We made it! We got to the other side of the monkey bars. Hey, I have an idea. Let's go back, but this time we can be a different animal. What if we did the sloth bars and we went really slowly like a sloth? Okay, let's try our best and go across. Here we go. We did the monkey bars and the sloth bars. Now let's do the cheetah bars and go really, really fast like a cheetah. Let's go. Here we go. This is fun and kind of tricky too. Woo, woo, whoa, whoa, woo. Woo. Oh. Woo, this is actually kind of easy. Oops. Whoa, that was awesome. And now we made it to the other side and it's another airplane. Yeah, look at this one. Yeah, this airplane looks so cool. It's blue and white and gray, and it's even bigger than our last toy airplane. Time to take off again. Whoa, look at these slides. Hey, wait a minute. Do you know what these slides remind me of? Yeah, the slides on an airplane. Sometimes airplanes need to make emergency landings. And when they do, slides come out of the side so you can slide to safety. Maybe we need to make an emergency landing. Oh no, the clouds turned into marshmallows. That's not very safe.
Crew, it's time to make an emergency landing. Roll out the slides.
Here we go. Woo! Whoa! Is everyone off the plane? Yeah, we're all nice and safe. And it looks like I got a little bit of marshmallow on me too. Yum! Hey, look at this. There's a truck at the bottom of the slide. Whoa, it looks like this is a part of aviation services. Oh, do you see what's on the back of the truck? Yeah, stairs. Sometimes when you're boarding a plane, there's a really long tunnel you walk through to get to the plane. Other times, you need a truck with stairs so you can walk up the stairs onto the plane. Here we go, let's go find a plane. Whoa! Hey, do you see what I see? It's a zip line. Yeah! Let's use the zip line and pretend to be an airplane. What city should we go to? Oh, there are so many places. First, let's take a flight from New York City to London. Here we go. Zip line away. Whoa, oh, that was a quick flight. Now, London to Mumbai. Here we go. Oh, but there are more flights to go on. Now we can go all the way from Tokyo to Los Angeles. Here we go. Oh, wait a minute. I think there's another flight we need to catch. Okay, here we go. The last city we need to go to is Silly Town. Yeah, Silly Town. Woo! Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Flying in an airplane and doing a zip line, can be kind of tiring. But do you see what we have? Another vehicle. Whoa, but this truck doesn't have stairs and it's not an airplane. I wonder what this truck does. I bet it carries luggage or maybe food. Or maybe airplane parts or an airplane engine. Whoa, we found so many cool airplanes and trucks and airplane vehicles, but do you know what one kind of airplane I really love is? Yeah, a stunt plane! Woohoo! A stunt plane is a plane where stunt pilots do all kinds of cool tricks, like loop-de-loops or figure eights. They even can go upside down. Hey, I bet there are some more vehicles we can find around here, and let's pretend to be stunt planes! Woohoo! one. Oh, we have so many vehicles that we've been finding. Keep your eyes open for more. Woohoo! Whoa! Hey, look at this. It looks like a little two-seater stunt plane. Time to do some really, really bouncy stunts. We're really getting the hang of this stunt piloting. Hey, look. It's another toy airplane. Whoa! Upside down. Woo! Another truck. Well, we found a lot of these. Woohoo! Anyone home? Just Blippi the stunt pilot. Woohoo! Whoa! Flying our plane is so much fun, but I think we need to land it. If only we had some wheels. Wheels! Here we go! Woo! Yeah, you need wheels so you can land the plane safely on a runway. Whoa! We did it! We made it to the end of the runway and we landed our plane. Now, it's time to see what we collected. Whoa! I wonder what we have. Oh yeah, look! We have the airport! Whoa! Check it out. Yeah, we have buildings and we have roads. We also have the runway. Whoa, this is a pretty cool looking airport, but I think it's missing something. Oh yeah, vehicles and airplanes. Yeah, we were missing all the airplanes, but luckily we collected so many today. Let's count to see how many we collected. 1, 2, 3 airplanes. 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks. 4 trucks, 3 airplanes. That means we collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vehicles. Yeah, 7 vehicles for our airport. And now we just need to make sure every vehicle goes to the right spot. Yeah, airplanes go on the runway. Whoa, that's a big one. We're getting ready for their flights. And all the vehicles go on the roads. Yeah, some vehicles might be refueling the planes or taking passengers down from the planes or maybe even doing some repairs. Whoa! This is great. It looks like we have our airport all finished and complete. Thanks so much for helping me find all of our vehicles. And it was really fun learning about them too, especially that airplanes have slides, but only for emergency landings. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you soon. It's time to take off.